How to cancel YouTube Premium free trial. Hi everyone. Signed up for the YouTube Premium free trial but don't want to get charged when it ends. Canceling is quick, easy, and completely official. You'll stop any future billing while still enjoying all the premium features until the trial actually finishes. In this short guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it safely through YouTube's built-in tools. Here are the simple steps. These work on both the YouTube mobile app and the website. Step 1. Open the YouTube app or go to YouTube.com and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Step 2. Tap or click your profile picture in the top right. Step 3. Select Purchases and Memberships or Paid Memberships. Step 4. Tap or click on your YouTube Premium membership. Step 5. Choose Manage Membership or Deactivate. Step 6. Tap Continue to cancel. Select a reason why you're canceling, then confirm with Yes, cancel. That's it. Your membership will be set to cancel at the end of the current billing or trial period, and you won't be charged afterward. Pro tip: after canceling, check your email for a confirmation from YouTube and double-check your status at youtube.com/paid memberships. This ensures everything went through smoothly. To recap, canceling your YouTube Premium free trial is a straightforward process, using official settings that prevents unwanted charges while letting you keep the benefits until the trial ends. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more clear tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments. Did you try the free trial and what made you decide to cancel? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.